One of the most common questions we get from people is how long does Colorfil air filters last? Within the industry today, and it's been this way for many decades, we see 3 months as the average lifespan of a home air filter. Now, this could be true for you or for others, but it's difficult to say exactly. Now, the role of an air filter is to clean your air so you, your family, and those adorable house pets can breathe healthy indoor air. But the quality of your air is unique to your lifestyle, location, time of year, and a whole lot of other things. So no two homes are alike. Your air is likely different from the air found in your neighbor's home. Figuring out exactly the right time to swap those air filters out is very much a guessing game. Now, this is where Colorfil air filters come in handy. Our filters are equipped with our proprietary color shift technology. And what that means is our filters change color from vibrant pink to yellow as it cleans your air. Again, your indoor air is unique to you. To keep your air fresh and clean with Colorfil, we recommend replacing your filter within 1 week or 2 of changing to yellow. If you notice the color changing faster, then it's best to replace the filters every 30 days. Figuring out the right cadence can be challenging, but guess what? With Colorfil air filters, it's easy. Just keep an eye on that color change and you'll know when it's time for a new filter. Hope this helps.